Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a healthy lentil curry recipe made with banana stem, also known as Vazhaithandu Kootu. I know cleaning banana stem can be tricky because of its fibrous texture, but don't worry. In this video, I will show you some detailed tips to make the process much easier. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. I am using a small banana stem for this recipe, which I purchased from a Sri Lankan grocery store. We are going to use only the middle portion of the banana stem. First, let us remove the outer layer. It is not very hard to peel off. Now slice the inner portion into rounds. As you cut, you will notice a lot of fiber. Just remove it as you go. Each time you slice, rub the cut piece gently on the remaining stem as shown in the video. This helps remove excess fiber. Sometimes you will find a lot of fiber and other times not so much. After slicing into rounds, chop them into small cubes and place them in buttermilk until use. Next, to remove any remaining fiber, take a chopstick or any long stick and stir the banana stem in the buttermilk vigorously. This spinning action helps pull out hidden fibers. Now let's move on to making the kootu or curry. Heat about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a pressure cooker. Add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of asafoetida and a few curry leaves for the seasoning. Now add the chopped garlic and saute until it turns slightly golden brown. Then add the chopped small onions. I have used about 20 of them. Add half a chopped tomato and saute for a few more minutes. Now add the chopped banana stem and give it a good mix. Next, add soaked yellow lentils, which is pasiparuppu in Tamil and Moong dal in Hindi. Add salt to taste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and half to 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, depending on your spice preference. Pour in 1.5 to 2 cups of water. Close the lid and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Meanwhile, grind quarter cup of grated coconut with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds to a fine paste. Once the pressure is released, open the cooker and bring the curry to a boil again. Mix the cooked lentils thoroughly with the ladle. Now add the ground coconut paste, mix well and continue cooking for about 5 more minutes or until you reach your desired consistency. Check for salt and adjust if needed. Finally, garnish the curry with fresh chopped coriander leaves. Your tasty and healthy banana stem lentil curry, Vazhaithandu Kootu, is now ready. Serve hot with rice and a dollop of ghee on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and travel vlogs. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.